Hi guys, I am sharing with you our traditional Mysore style egg curry recipe. This recipe is given to me by my aunt and you can check out her version here. This is in Kannada, so stay with me for the English version of the recipe. This is a list of the ingredients required. In a blender, take 4 tablespoons coconut. It can either be grated or roughly chopped like this. Add 1 onion, 1 tomato, a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, 1 heaped teaspoon coriander powder, 1 heaped teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 whole garlic pods which comes up to around 25 to 30 garlic cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon and 5 cloves. Pour in half a cup of water. Grind this to a smooth paste like this. It should not be grainy, it should be smooth. Heat 2 teaspoons oil in a kadhai. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add 2 red chilies and saute for 30 seconds. Take care not to burn. Add in half an onion which has been sliced and saute till the onion is soft. Now add the ground masala paste and saute till the masala thickens, darkens and separates from the pan. Add 2 cups water and salt to taste. At this stage, the curry should be thin and watery because it will thicken further. Cover and boil for 10 minutes. Check the consistency and add more water if you want a thinner gravy at this stage. Now, lower the flame. The curry should stop bubbling vigorously. Break in 4 eggs far apart. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Do not touch the eggs or else they'll break. Cover and simmer on low flame for 5 minutes. This is the perfect egg curry. The gravy is thick and creamy. The eggs are whole and unbroken, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy this egg curry with hot rice, rotis, dosa, idlis, anything. If you like this video, please like, share and leave your comments below. Also, for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.